Hi, welcome to my review of Free Traffic Shotgun 2.0. This is Kevin Fahey's second release of this Free Traffic Shotgun system. He released the first one a little over a year ago, I believe. It's 2023 now, so yes, early 2022 I think he released the first one. Now, I have this product. I'm going to show you the members area in a moment or two. Let me just tell you what the pros and cons are. I'm not going to read you the whole sales page because I really think you can do that yourself. But I do want to draw your attention to this box because this is where this program now differs, and it's a significant difference from 1.0, which is new affiliate marketing training added for 2023, showing you how to earn thousands in commission every month with Free Traffic Shotgun 2.0. Now, the original version was absolutely fantastic. Make no mistake about it. It really is a very, very comprehensive program. I'll show you in a second. But it was more geared to people who had their own product. Now, Kevin Fahey, who's the creator and teacher of this program, has a whole catalog of his own products, and so being the very smart and clever marketer that he is, he's also figured out how to get traffic to those products with no cost, and he's a very, very seasoned and experienced marketer, so you will find that you're in the hands of a master. Now, as I record this, this 2.0 is not quite launched yet, so you can see there's no price on it, but I can tell you that the opening price will be, I believe, under $17, but it will be on a dime sale, which means the price will rise with every sale. Now, obviously, I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but that price rise is going to go up fast because when Kevin launches a product, it goes like hotcakes. So the sooner you get on it and purchase it, the better the deal you will get. So let's just click over so you can see what's inside. So once you're inside the members area, of course you get a welcome video, as you would expect. Now, it is worth watching that. Kevin does explain quite a bit of background. Kevin is a very I don't know what the right word is really. He has high integrity, so he's very good at selling. But these videos are worth watching because he puts value in them. There's real reasons for watching them. And then you can see how comprehensive this program is. So I will say that working through it is, you do need to pause, take notes. So that's the way I do it, and then take action step by step. So to begin with, there is a learning curve. Now, Kevin has literally made, I mean, I don't know, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in sales. He knows how to drive traffic to anything. Once you have this system down, of course it will get easier and quicker. It's like anything else, like riding a bicycle or learning the piano or anything else. There is, in the beginning, there will be a bit of work. So if you think that this is a program where you're going to push a button and traffic will magically drive itself to your offers or your affiliate offers, then this is not for you. This is for serious entrepreneurs who are wanting to learn from a master, and honestly, for the price that Kevin's asking for, I mean, he could have added at least another digit to that. If he charged 197 or even 1,970, he could still have sold this, and he's worth it. So please don't treat this as a cheap throwaway product. It really, really is the business. Now, this is where it's new, the affiliate marketing with Free Traffic Shotgun. I'm not sure if he may have added videos elsewhere, but I've checked this one out myself. This is definitely a 2023 video, and he shows you, goes into detail about how you can use the system to drive traffic to affiliate offers. I would say go through the system first. It's obviously if you want to use it for being an affiliate. I have watched this video, and If you don't know the system, he's referencing things that that he's already taught you. So you'll be going, what does he mean? How do I do that? That sounds, like I don't understand. So you do need to go through the training. But boy, I can tell you, this is value. So there's a link in the description below this video on YouTube that will take you there. And I heartily recommend that you pick this up. And yes, of course, thank you. If you do click on my link and pick it up through my link, then I will get a commission. And thank you very much in advance if you do that. And enjoy your free traffic. This is really worth it.